Shake your booty, Ella. No, no.
Thanks.
No, shake it over there. Shake it to Devin.
Come shake your booty.
Don't let the
Stephanie's
FBI
like,
get on
really?
camera.
You guys are laughing at a 4-year-old shaking
But
her
she
booty.
gives me.
No, you didn't.
Yes, she did.
Watch this.
That's for Grandma.
I asked.
That's for Grandma.
She brought it for Grandma.
Okay, we'll put Ella, wanna help me put it?
Here,
No, what is
shake
that?
your booty.
She brought it for you.
Do you want to dance, Ella?
Ella,
Ella,
shake your booty.
that's enough of that.
Shake your booty.
That's good.
Ella, can I teach you how to do the Macarena? Do you want to learn how to dance, Ella? Do you want to learn how to dance? I'm recording this. Somebody record this.
I want to do it.
I want to do it, definitely.
Okay. Okay. So, Ella, I don't know how to do Macarena.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
No. Okay, no, I know how to do it. No. Okay, Ella. It's a cute dance.
She likes the booty. I like to do my booty.
Booty.
Booty, booty, booty. Ooh, it fell.
Booty, booty, booty.
Oh,
Booty,
TV
booty,
power.
booty. Catherine, what are you doing?
I'm gonna find a song I'm gonna teach you.
You don't know how to do it?
I do.
Watch this.
Hey, Macarena.
I do that in the back of biology all the time.
Pillow this.
Okay, we'll do the pillow thing because that was fun. Come on. Grandma,
Lauren.
that's enough of
They're
that.
gonna teach Ella how to do the
I mean,
Macarena.
after all these years, my halo finally came out again.
And it's a black halo, right?
No, it's blue.
So
Here, I
Grandma,
said
Oh my
not in front
gosh,
of the
it's
TV.
Can you believe it?
Hey, Ella, show Grandma the booty. Shake your booty.
Yeah,
show her
she
the
does
pillow
that really
thing.
well.
Show her the pillow thing. Go back and run into the pillow.
Not in front of the TV. Where did I say to do it?
Okay, Ella, right here. Hit the pillow, full force. My cousins love that. Dominic and Gabe would go,
No.
boom!
Yeah.
When are you doing gymnastics?
What? Grandma, can I have that on? Hello there.
You get that stuck and you're in trouble.
Ella, you want to play catch?
Yeah.
Alright, throw the frisbee.
No,
Never
not
mind.
in the house.
Never mind, never mind. Look.
Watch this.
What?
Watch this. Let me have it.
Don't